Need namin po mag-survive po ng Titanic po. So guys, yeah, sisink po yung Titanic po. Tsaka i-sink na po yung Titanic po. So, sarap naman. Wait lang, may ticket ako. Wait lang, sabi daw punta daw ako sa Titanic. Yay! I think magpunta tayo sa airport po, guys. Ito, sasakyan. Uy. Ay, mali yung parking. Dapat doon pala sa airport. Uy, sasakyan ng bangga. Banggaan. Ito. I think need ko ng suitcase ko. Ito. Dito na sa airport. Magpunta na ako sa Americano. Bye-bye, Brookhaven, Pilipinas. Dito na ako sa Titanic. Ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Wait lang. Kasi ko mag-akyat dyan. I think dito sa ladder. Uy! Uy! Ulog. Uy! 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 I think hindi dyan. How about dito? Uy, pwede tayong mag-akyat. Dito tayo mag-akyat. Ay! Akyat ulit. No! Hulay ko! Yes! Nakakyat. Ay! Nakakyat ako. Ano to? Wow! No, I'm stuck. Ay! Naku! Gabi na! The last time Roblox Titanic 20 ever saw day night. Ano yung hair rally? Siguro man-OAs lang sila. Paano ako mag-akyat? Hindi naman mahit yung Titanic eh. Ay wow, sana all. Naman na lamp. Bakit balintad? Ang bigat kasi ng to. Bakit tayo may life jackets? Wala naman i-rally dito. Uy! Isink na yung Titanic! Isink na yung Titanic! Wait lang. Isink na yung Titanic! Titanic sinking! Wala yung Titanic lumasing! Lifeboat! 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 Uy! Tama! Uy! Hindi na tama! Buti na hindi na tama. Patay tayo, boy. Hala! 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 Iceberg! Is hit the Titanic! Yung iceberg na Can the ship really sink? Hindi ko alam. Tingnan natin. Uy guys! Magpunta tayo sa baba! Tingnan natin pag nagsing. Magpunta tayo sa baba! Naku! Titanic sink! Naku! I-sink na tayo! Wala naman kasi driver eh! Uy, huwag ka magtulakin ko na ikaw. Gusto mo?
I just farted.
Guys, i-sink na yung Titanic. Feeling ko. Ako si Jack! Maligtas ako!
Guys!
Ako si Jack!
Ito si Jack!
Sa Titanic. Uy.
Jack! Punta ako sa likod para gusto ko pumunta sa... Hindi yan tagal. Jack! Punta ako sa...
Yung totoo palanan ko, Victor. Si Victor Junior binasahan. Yung totoo palanan ko, si Victor. Paano to matanggal? I think...
Sabi ko, hindi ka daw Tagalog. Oh, sorry, boy, ah.
Sige.
Nasikada!
Uy. Uy, mana-captain kayo kasi fireworks na kayo para mapunta yung isa na ship.
Dr. Hids.
Captain ba kayo? Kasi ano, mag fireworks kayo para mapunta dito. Yung parang yung i-save sa atin na yung ship.
I want to die. I don't wanna die. I'm young. Me too.
Ako, 6 years old lang ako. 6 years old lang ako. Mamatay pa tayo. Kala ko hindi man to totoo. Totoo pala to.
Aray mo. Baka I'm too lagging.
Pomni, tulungan mo kami, Pomni. Pomni, tulungan mo kami. Uy, bakit ang... Dito.
I'm not going to go to the lifeboat.
Ano?
I
It's sinking!
I want to be like
Paano natin buksan nito?
or like Jack. Or I mean, I'm going to die.
Alay ko yung ulo ko na untog. Ah. Wait lang, type mo sa YouTube, ano, Victor Junior Roblox. Doon mo mahanap yung YouTube ko.
Well, why do you understand? Bakit? Yung magtagalog ko naman, tagalista naman, Tagalog naman. Tagalog naman din siya.
Uy, ilipad ka!
Uy, lilipad ka. Lipad. I'm not...
Punta tayo sa likod para ma-save tayo!
Sige! Pero, ako
Alay ko! Alay ko.
ako.
Ang sakit. I don't...
Bakit hindi ako magsubo
have voice chat.
Alam mo ba yung competitive
How
both IP yung ito? Naalala ko pa yan.
I have voice chat but I don't do want it.
Hindi nga. Joke lang.
Mamatay na tayo sa Titanic.
Sabi daw hindi to nasising. Nasising pala.
Bakit feeling ko taob na to?
Ayoko pa po naman.
Dito, oo, maliit lang ako. Maliit lang ako. 6 years old lang ako.
That's why I should listen to my mama that I don't go to Titanic.
Ay.
Kasi talaga
Alay ko.
That's why I listen now. Bro doesn't listen to his mama, bro. Yeah, because I want to go to the Titanic, but bro, we're not in the 90s, bro.
Wait.
My voice is good. Okay.
Thanks.
Friend, Victor.
What?
What's you? Hilay, bro. How to escape the Titanic? I don't know, bro. First, go to the water, swim, and go to your home. Then, wash it all, and you
Bro,
go to your
bro, the Titanic is so cold. The water is so cold. I think this will snap. I think this thing is going to snap.
going to snap.
Yeah, when I hold it, I think it's going to snap.
Sinakosok mo?
Imagine when John's go, it will split in half into pieces, bro.
Yeah, that is the Titanic. I think Queso is here.
Yeah, I think Queso. Casio. I think Queso when Casio. I think when Queso go to the kids pool and when he jumps and the water is
How your mouth is speaking?
what?
Look, your mouth is sleeping.
It can't even go to the earth.
Your mouth is moving. Your mouth is moving.
My mouth.
Look.
Try that. Oh.
Let
How?
wait. How to get this? Over here. Over here. Climb in this. Climb in this.
Third class open space is flooding.
What we just hear?
Chicken. Tuloy. Low.
We are going to die. I hope I don't sleep because the water is so cold. Help! Help! It's so cold. It's so cold. I'm here. I'm back.
You revive.
No, I'm just spawn. I spawn.
I love this. This was real life.
I almost get hit by this helicopter yellow thing.
Alright, go.
Okay, I will jump. Whee! It's so cold! It's so cold! It's so cold! Ang cold! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Spawn again. Please don't fall me again. Don't fall. I don't want. Ayoko mahulog ulit. Ayoko mahulog.
Nag-join na ako. Wala. Diyan na agad ako, hindi.
Dito kami sa likod. Dito kami sa likod. Oh, boy.
Boy, ikaw yung hindi kasali. Hindi yun totoo. I just farted!
Uy!
I just farted and Greg is hurting me.
Ouch. Can someone help me?
What did I do to him?
You just stumped me. I'm dead.
Bro, my friend is so annoying. You are so annoying, bro. You keep lying. Slapping, saying, I don't know what about. It's gonna be quiet. The ship goes. Quiet. The ship goes over.
The ship bow is flooded.
Video na pa.
There's it. Hmm. Oh no, he fell in the water. I think it's boys. Hey, open here. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think we are going to fall. Help, 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 help. Oh. That just killed me. I'm here. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
You revived.
No, I'm just spawn. I spawn. I spawn.
I thought this was real life.
I almost get hit by this helicopter yellow king.
Alright, go.
Okay, I will jump. Whee! It's a goal! It's a goal! It's a goal! Ang goal! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! Si 2028 hindi naman ko magalaw. Nagod natin. The bow is flooded. Move. Gumalaw ka. Gumalaw ka. Huh? Hindi naman siya isalita. Stay right here, okay? What are we going to do? Tulungan mo kami, Molly. Hey, don't push me. Parang hindi kayo salita. I see you. Right. Oh my gosh, why he is not moving? Alam, mamatay na tayo. Hala. Hala. Oh my day. Days talk take forever. Ah! When the boat is go up. Uy, huwag mo mahulog. Oh my gosh, why he is not moving? Alam, mamatay na tayo. Hala. Hala. Oh my day. Days talk take forever. Ah! When the boat is go up. Uy, huwag mo mahulog. Nagaling na. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, dulas na ako, guys. Uy, 2028, tumalon ka. Ayan. Bakit sa 2028 na hindi naman kumagalaw? Ito. Ah! 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 You. I think we need to. I almost fell. I think it's split in half na. I think pag nag-last funnel yan, I think mas split in half na yan. Kala ko normal day lang to. Touch me. Mag-akyat lang kayo dito. I'm going to fall. Ow! Ow! I sleep, and why are you always keeping sleep? You're going to be stuck under the bow.
Just remember me. Remember me in heaven. I'm the debating one.
Guys, this is what our final day. Oh, yes, sleeping. I'm stuck under the bow.
I see the star.
I see the moon. Hey, Bo, what happened to you?
pa.
I think we are going to die.
100 na lang.
I think I know something.
Wala. Ang gamot mo, 171 man yung isa.
No.
Tatlong binili ko.
I am holding. I'm just holding. Help. I'm glitching. Wait. I'm glitching. Ew. I see it. Wait. Ew. We are sinking. We are just sinking, bro. Are we dead? Help, we are sinking. Over here, see? I don't have a life jacket! I don't have a life jacket! I don't have a life jacket! Follow the guy! Follow him. We're almost going to die!
Ayaw, daw tumot.